Mesh Ops is a simple set of tools for making fast in-editor changes to your Unity assets. We can begin by looking at the Mesh Ops overlay toolbar. UModelerize converts a regular Unity mesh into a UModelerX mesh so that you can edit it with the full modeling toolset. It keeps the original shape but rebuilds it into an editable geometry. Here in my scene, I have a few objects here. And before we can actually do anything, what we want to do is go ahead and convert these to a editable geometry into a UModelerX. So what we can do is select this here. So I'll select this game object. And this is a hanger, a set of clothes, a low poly clothes. And what we're going to do is on the top of your screen, inside of the scene editor, you're going to see something called Mesh Ops. Now, if you don't see this, you can right click on it and you can select horizontal, or you can even select vertical. So the very first option here is going to be the UModelerize, and that's what we'll be taking a look at in this video. So all you have to do is select your game object and click this button. Once you click this button, it's going to go through a set of functions, and it's going to then add the necessary components to your inspector, and now you have a whole set of tools that you can use. Now, what we're going to do is do this on every single object in this scene. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this one and click the button again, and it's going to go through the same process again. And I'll go ahead and select this house, but before we do that, what we want to do is go ahead and right click on our house and go ahead and go to prefab and do an unpack completely. And we're going to do that to the second house as well. And then now that we have those unpacked, we can basically select the house, convert it into a UModelerX object, and do the same thing to the other house as well. That's how UModelerize converts a standard Unity mesh into an editable UModelerX geometry. It's a simple step that opens the door to full modeling control right inside the editor.